going to Nongping today, but it's raining, so I don't know. Let's see. We might just go to City Gate, buy some cheese. Oh, is it budol time? She's getting some stickers. We're here at the City Gate outlets. There's no rain as of the moment, so we're gonna proceed to Nongping, to the Big Buddha. We just walked for a little bit and now it's drizzling. Haha, prank. Now it's raining hard. It's a good thing that we're going to ride the bus. This one, bus number 23, because if we rode the cable car, it would be a waste of money because there's no view, and then bus is cheaper also. So let's go. We're here. Nongping. Oh, Big Buddha is there. Good thing we're prepared. Thank you, Disneyland, for the raincoat. So we're going to climb that one. So the weather here is like a woman. You cannot understand. It's sunny, it's raining, it's windy, it's foggy. Everything. Taking the first steps. We can do this. He's disappearing again. Almost there. She's climbing. She's almost there. Yay! Still raining here at the Big Buddha. It's very cold. Earlier was a bit sunny with drizzle. Now it's raining again. We're now heading back downstairs. Let's pray that it will not be slippery. Having fun. Bye, Big Buddha. So windy and I cannot even see him. So rainy. Going back to the City Gate outlets to, I don't know, buy shoes. Shoes are wet.
Yeah. Yours also?
Nongping Village. Cutie. Having fun.
Hi, this is my 16 vlog. It's raining, it's cloudy, it's sunny, it's windy, so all the weathers are here. Look. Did you see that?
We're back here at the bus terminal. Going out to the City Gate outlets. Let's go. We're here at City Gate outlets. Let's go first to Nike. Go going to size 10 first. Size 9.5. Let's go. What is this? What is this? Let's go to Under Armour. Curry Flow. 975. Expensive. Yay. Let's go to New Balance. Fresh Folds 909. Nice looking shoe. A bit heavy. The same. Oh, 461. So
Wow.
minus 849.
Wow, it's so nice. That's you.
Yeah, so nice. So clean. But size 12. Let's try Puma. Oop, I think we got the first victim. It's a nice shoe. This one. Oh no. For dinner.
For dinner. For dinner. It's for dinner.
We will have steak and
Steak. Steak.
yeah,
I wish
it's a
I was-
sizzling plate combo for 2, but it should be enough for the 3 of us.
I want oatmeal. I want oatmeal.
Yay.
I want-
Our dinner for tonight. Let's go for only $149. So sulit. Yummy.
Yummy.
She's going to have her mobile softie for the second time. There she is. Yay! Jordan. Last minute Budol. New Balances. Got my last minute Budol. Look at that. So nice. On feet. Looks so nice. And clean.
I got something new. It is shoes. My shoes.
Wow. What's inside?
My special.
Oh, wow. Wow, nice colors. Put it on.
Okay. I'll try.